Good morning everyone. Now the next topic, that is operating system with examples. As in the previous session before midterm exam, I think I have told you that how to convert like one number system into another number system. But rest of the number system like octal number system conversion has been left till now. So that conversion I'll cover in the next session or next to next session. Till then, what you do, you just start unit number 3. So in unit number 3, if you check then the number of contents in unit number 3, then the concept of operating system is there. So operating system and its examples will be discussed in today's session. So let us start. Like, this is your syllabus, and if you check your syllabus, then in unit number 3, like MS-DOS is mentioned with its basic commands like internal command and external command. But these all will be discussed in the practical session. I'll tell you in the practical session that how to use these internal and external commands in case of MS-DOS. Okay, so that marked portion which is in yellow color, it will be discussed in the practical session, and the rest is the theoretical part. So we will cover today the types of operating system and its examples. Okay, then in the next session the function will be discussed. So till then you just check like what do you mean by operating system, and what are the examples of operating system, or you can say what are the different types of operating system. Done. So let us start. So first of all, operating system. Operating system is what? Operating system means one interface between the user and the computer hardware. So who is user? Like, if I want to use one laptop or the computer system, then I am the user, and the laptop or the computer system on which you want to use something, then that will be known as the computer hardware. So basically operating system is the mediator, like with the help of which we are interacting with that hardware, or you can say like with the help of which the user is interacting with the computer hardware. So basically that is your operating system. So if I want to write definition of it, then what I'll write? Like, operating system is or it acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. So this point is important, because basically whenever you will write the types of it, whenever you will write the examples of it, then you should have the concept of operating system. Like, it acts as an intermediary, or it acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. So basically the main purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute the programs in a convenient and efficient manner. For example, like you want to play one game onto a computer system. So for that purpose, what you have to do? First of all, you have to start your computer system. Okay, so to get ready your computer system, the operating system will work in the background. Okay, so if there is an operating system installed in your computer, then only your computer will restart, with your computer will boot, and it will give you to enter the password which you have put in your computer system to open it. Then after all the connected input devices or output devices will work. So this is possible only with the help of operating system, right? So we can also say like an operating system is a software. It is a kind of system software basically, because there are basically two types of software, like application software and system software. So application software is like the types of software which we install, which are our need. Like if I want to play one game, then I am installing that software. Okay, so that is one application software. If I want to use MS Word application, then I'm like installing the MS Office package. Okay, so this is one application software. If you want to use Adobe Reader, if you want to read one PDF file, then obviously you should have one Adobe Reader software. So, okay, so what you will do, you will install that software. So this is your need, this is the user need. So the software which are the user need basically is known as application software. But if you want to run your computer system, then you need one kind of system software. System software means without which you cannot perform any kind of application software. Okay, so that is known as system software. So this operating system is one kind of system software. Okay, so we can say that an operating system is a software that manages the computer hardware, and this hardware must process or must provide the appropriate mechanism to ensure the correct operation of the computer system. Okay, so this is the main definition basically which I have mentioned over here. And if you want to check it with the help of one diagram, then you can check it like this. So this is basically your computer system, where I have written like computer hardware. Computer hardware means the laptop or the computer system of any brand. Okay, then if you want to work with this like there are number of users, like if I have taken a number of students of one class in one lab, okay, then there are different students who want to use different computer system. So if different students means the different user want to like interact with computer system which are in the lab, then basically you should have one operating system, then only you can interact with that computer system. Okay, so with the help of operating system, this is basically one interface with the help of which all kind of user will interact with the computer system. Okay, then in case of system and application programs, so basically in case of system software, we are having different types of system software. Compiler is one kind of system software. Okay, assembler is one kind of system software. And like if you want to use different application, okay, then there are different application software also, like one kind of text editor. Text editor means like if you want to like write something, then you can use notepad, you can use MS Word application. So this is known as one application software, that is known as text editor software. Then database system, or you can say database software, like if you want to use like one kind of DBMS software. So basically this is one kind of application software. For example, if you want to run any kind of query, then you can do so with the help of one kind of database software. So in system and application programs means system and application softwares. So if any of the user want to use any kind of one software, application software, then the first need is to have is the operating system. Okay, then only you can run any other kind of like application software. Okay, hope this like diagram is clear to everyone. Now you just move forward to the next thing, that is like some more definition of operating system. So the operating system, we can say that it is a set of special programs, because in case of operating system there are number of programs which are written in the background. Okay, because your operating system handle all kind of input devices, it handles all kind of output devices, it handles all kind of application programs. It this operating system takes the like commands from the user, then it sends these commands to like particular like different kind of hardware or different kind of software. Okay, so like what type of command you have given to the computer system. So these all tasks are handled by this operating system. So that is why you are saying that it is a set of special programs that run on a computer system, and it allows to work properly, and it performs basic tasks such as recognizing the input from the keyboard. Like if you want to write something, then obviously if you are writing it in one text editor, then it is basically recognizing with the help of this operating system. So keeping the track of files like directories on the disk, like if you want to search one kind of file in your computer system in any of the drive, then obviously operating system is keeping track of that in that. Okay, so if you want to send one output to the display screen, if you want to control any kind of peripheral devices like input and output devices, so all these tasks are being performed or controlled by the operating system. Okay, so operating system is designed to serve two basic purposes, and the first purpose is to control the allocation and use of computing system resources among the various users and tasks. So this is basically the first function. Then the second function is like it provides an interface between the computer hardware and the programmer that simplifies and makes the feasible for coding, creation, debugging of application programs. Like if you are using C programming, so this is one kind of application software. Okay, so with the help of operating system, you can run that application software, you can write the command, you can run that command. Okay, so basically these are the tasks. Then different examples of operating system. So basically there are different examples of operating system. Like the first one is MS-DOS, then Windows operating system, and Linux operating system, Android mobile operating system, and iOS mobile operating system. Okay, so different types of operating systems are there, and so one by one I want to discuss these all types of operating system. These are basically the examples of operating system. So first one is MS-DOS. I think it has gone. So till now you